Hello everyone, it's Gerald. We're back out here at the project. I apologize, it's a lot of footage that I did not get, and I lost some of my footage on the finishing touch on some of the drywall and other things, but we've made it pretty far. We've actually cleared up a lot of the backyard. I'm still waiting on the plumber to get here to finish digging to connect the waste lines, but we're gonna go ahead and walk through this, but to give you a brief overlook of what it looks like outside real quick. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, if you can see that a lot of the area is cleaned up out here, I actually end up putting some of that dirt down here that was around back. So as you can see, we got the windows trimmed out. We got to paint that. Got a lot of the dirt that was built up around the house. You see, we've leveled a lot of that off. Still waiting on the plumber with this. He need to connect these lines. So as you can see, we've gotten a lot done here, and we also got word, well, I got word that the window for this one right here, this is the one window that have not been replaced. This one, which was torn out originally, but that's the one right there. We just got word that it's on the way in, and it should be here hopefully Saturday. I wish it would come in a day early, but we shall see. So we're getting ready to send that back, that portalet. So let's go ahead and walk in here and see what we have going on real quick. All right. Whoa, it's a lot cooler in here now that we have windows and the insulation. You can actually tell it's a lot cooler. You see that we have the window sills in. We got to do some painting. We had that corner right there where my electrician had to put another outlet over there. And we see here, I don't know if you all remember that little transition piece right there. That was a ledge, but now we've got that finished. You see the kitchen here. That window is going to be replaced with that. My installer, he was just waiting on some other material. You see this here. See the hot water tank there. And you see right here, this transition piece, that is where the actual air handler is going to go. So it's a tight fit, but we're gonna try to get it all in here. Look at that bug there. Yeah. Man, if you're in Florida, those palmetto bugs, they are everywhere. So, as you can see here, we've already got this one here trimmed out. So he has to finish that. I mean, when I say it's cooler in here, it is a lot cooler. You can see the window sills done on that. And for you all, if this is your first time, look at the palmetto bug up there. I don't know if you can see, look at this. See it? I tell you, in Florida, and no one's living here. So for those of you who think, no, those are not cockroaches. Palmetto bugs are a big, huge, they're almost like a big water bug or something, but they're all over the place in Florida. And if you leave doors open, they get in your garage, they're just notorious for being where you don't want them. So you can see the window sills is done on that one, but not on this one, because we didn't want to put the window sill in until we actually get the actual windows installed. So we'll see. We got the cabinet doors in over, well, not cabinet, but closet. See, this place has really come together. Like I said, I'm waiting on my plumber. He has to put the toilets in. There's the window seal. Waiting on my plumber. My plumber is holding me up. I told the plumber the other day, I'm like, you're holding me up. There's the bathtub. He's literally holding me up. So you got to see right here. Here's the other closet doors. See, here's the air handler. See, the window seal's done on that one. Window seal's done on that one. Looks a lot better in here. A lot better. You still got to do something with the ceiling up there. All the window seals are done. Waiting on the plumber. Waiting on the plumber. I tell you, everyone, it's amazing how people can hold you up. I've mentioned to my plumber about the fact that I need to be done, and my HVAC guy, he's ready, so he's gonna come on in and finish, but it's just hard to get everything done when you're waiting on people and they're causing issues. You know, but something, I'm gonna show you all something. And I just realized this. See, I think this space, this one is actually a lot taller than 80 inches for a rough. We're going to have to adjust those doors, but we can adjust those doors up. I'd rather for a little space to be at the bottom down there, and I'll show you that once we're finished, than that space at the top. These doors can be adjusted. So that's what we're going to do. But everyone, this is where we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. But remember, like, share, and subscribe. Make a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like to see. As you can see, we're wrapping this up. And I want to show you the transition from the beginning to the end. So we're gonna take some more pictures and create the video. And I'm gonna try not to make the video as long as my last one. I want to say my last one maybe between 35 to 40 minutes, I believe, of the last project that I did that was fire damage. So I'm gonna try not to make it that long, but we shall see. This is Gerald with OBD. I look forward to showing you the next step and finishing this project. I hope you all got a chance to maybe learn something or see something that you never really got a opportunity to see, and to follow a property just transition so you can see how a property that may look horrible to you that can become something very beautiful. Now, if you was on the inside of this house, you would not know this was a fire damaged house. You would not know that this house was in the condition that it was. So go back, look at some of those videos, and then come back here and see the transition. This house has truly become a home for someone, and it looks brand new when you just walk through and you see the house. So again, this is Gerald with OVD. You all be blessed. You take care. See you until next time. Y'all take care. Bye.